So how will you get confidence in your day-to-day life? One, I think my biggest recommendation would be to trust in the little steps you take for yourself. If you hear your inner voice telling you go left, take that step. When you discover it's the right step, your confidence will get boosted. Every time you take a few good steps in the right direction, producing the right results, your confidence increases. Step 2, always journal and write down every time you have a success, a win, something good. Because those are things you go back and review and revise when the days are not so good and you don't feel so confident. You can go back to those days when you were confident and remember, because confidence is like building blocks. From one step to another, you build onto it until you get to that point where you feel unshakable, immovable. You can stand on your word. You know what you know just because you know it